I'll guide you through the process of converting your crypto on Coinbase into your local currency without getting hit by high instant fees or having your transfer flagged for name mismatches. Recently, Coinbase has unified its interface, making the path from digital asset to bank deposit much shorter, provided you understand the difference between your crypto portfolio and your cash balance. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Open the Coinbase app and navigate to the Buy and Sell tab to select the cryptocurrency you want to liquidate. Tap Sell and ensure the destination is set to your local currency wallet, such as USD or EUR, to move the value out of the volatile market and into a stable cash balance. For larger amounts, switch to the Advanced Trade View to execute a limit order, which can significantly reduce the taker fees compared to a standard simple sell. Go to your My Assets tab and select your local currency balance to view your available funds for withdrawal. Tap Cash Out and enter the specific amount you wish to transfer, keeping in mind that standard ACH transfers are typically free, while debit card withdrawals incur a small percentage fee. Choose your linked bank account or debit card and pay close attention to the estimated arrival time, as instant transfers usually land within 30 minutes. Review the final breakdown of network and platform fees before tapping the button to authorize the movement of your money via 2FA. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.